Hi, my name is Cristian Menois, and I'll talk about why to visit Montreal City. Well, the Montreal City it's a big and a wonderful city, consisting of 19 very well arranged districts and spacious buildings, as well as beautiful landscapes. Well, there is a substantial number of places to visit for of contemporary and baroque art. You can have fun and relax at the same time. If you have a very demanding appetite, you can taste the best of most delicious foods and being able to know their culture. Here are three reasons why you should visit this beautiful city. Number 1. There are fun and amazing tourist places. Number 2. You can also enjoy a delicious cuisine. Number 3. Get to know more about their culture. Well, first I will describe the three best places that you should visit. In second place, I will mention some delicious and typical foods of this city. And third, I will talk about their culture and some typical customs from there. The first place, I'm going to talk about and most describe the three best places to visit in Montreal. But don't forget that exists much more places to visit there. Place number 1, the Wax Museum, where there are an enormous number of statues of actors, musicians, singers, painters, etc., which are made entirely of wax, but which are very well detailed and look so real. Number 2, the Montreal Casino. It's a great and a glamorous place where people have fun, gamble, and even have a delicious drink. It is also the best place to visit with your friends. Number 3, Basilica of Notre Dame. This imposing church looks all over the Montreal skyline and has more than a little resemblance to its namesake in Paris, site of one of the greatest events of the century. It's the wedding of Celine Dion. The beautiful interior includes a beautiful blue sky roof decorated with gold stars. Now I'm talking about delicious food. The second reason is that delicious foods in Montreal. There is an important coffee culture in Montreal and a little to French model. I will also mention the three most discovered dishes of this city. Number 1 is tortilla, with bread, dough, and meat that can be both pork and cow. Is a dish native to Quebec, Montreal. Number 2 is smoked meat sandwich. It is usually served with white bread and significant amount of mustard. Although if there is anything that characterizes the sandwich is the enormous amount of meat it contains. And number 3 is pudding chamel. It's a cake made from flour eggs, butter and milk that is often sprinkled with a cream of maple or with ice cream. The translation of his name is pudding for the unemployed. Finally, I count the final reasons which is Montreal is unique with the different cultural attractions. Montreal has been named by the Monocle magazine as Cultural Capital of Canada and is internationally recognized for its cultural effervescence. This place has many museums. The Montreal International Film Festival it's a great event with the young people have fun. Well, the Tam Tams of Montreal is a great event when people have listen music and see events like theater, etc. Okay. Finally, to conclude, you can travel alone or with your family or friends. You can travel for business or adventures. You can enjoy all its attractions and delicious food. It is not very expensive to visit. Enjoy every moment in this city. And a final opinion, traveling to this beautiful city will make you feel very good and you will enjoy the best city that exists in all of Canada. You will have the best experience that will make you want to visit more than once. Well, thank you for your attention and goodbye.